Start with a brief overview of the importance of choosing the right operating system for coding and development. In the vast landscape of coding and development, the operating system you choose serves as your primary working environment. In essence, it's the keystone of your digital workspace, akin to selecting the right tools and materials for a craftsman. Choosing the right operating system, or OS, is not a decision to take lightly. It's akin to setting up a foundation upon which your entire coding or development project will rest. The right OS can make your work seamless, while the wrong choice can put roadblocks in your development process. The process of choosing an operating system transcends beyond just preference. It's about finding a system that not only satisfies your personal comfort and ease of use, but also aligns with the technical requirements of your project. Each operating system has its unique features, benefits, and limitations that can significantly impact the way you code or develop software. Productivity, for instance, is a key factor that's affected by your choice of an operating system. Your chosen OS should offer an interface that's conducive to your workflow, enabling you to work efficiently without unnecessary interruptions. A well-designed, user-friendly interface can decrease the time spent on navigating through system files, freeing up more time for actual coding and development. Software compatibility is another essential consideration. Different operating systems support different software platforms and programming languages. For instance, while Windows might support a wide range of software, macOS is often the preferred choice for developers working with Apple-specific software. Your overall workflow can also be significantly influenced by your choice of an operating system. The right OS will allow you to streamline your tasks, organize your files efficiently, and integrate smoothly with other development tools. In addition, it should have a strong community of developers for support, regular updates to keep up with the evolving tech environment, and robust security features to protect your work. In conclusion, the importance of choosing the right operating system for coding and development cannot be overstated. It is a decision that plays a pivotal role in shaping your productivity, software compatibility, and overall workflow, highlighting how the choice can affect productivity, software compatibility, and overall workflow. Linux is an open-source platform, a characteristically unique facet that makes it stand out among the myriad of operating systems available today. This open-source nature underlines its core strength. It provides users and developers alike with the privilege to examine, modify, and distribute the source code as needed. The open-source nature of Linux is not just a feature, it's a testament to the philosophy of collaborative software development. Being open source, Linux offers unparalleled customization capabilities. With the power of Linux in your hands, you are no longer a mere user, but a creator, an architect of your digital environment. The capability to customize Linux extends to its every aspect. From the aesthetics of your desktop to the underlying system scripts, Linux offers the freedom to mold the software to fit your needs and preferences perfectly. Linux is not just an operating system, it's a toolbox for creativity. This is why it enjoys immense popularity among developers, particularly those involved in server and network-related programming. The ability to inspect and tweak every aspect of the system makes it a playground for developers, enabling them to experiment, innovate, and optimize their projects. Linux's high degree of customizability and suitability for programming tasks hasn't gone unnoticed by the IT industry. Many of the world's most powerful servers run on Linux, proof of its robustness and reliability. It's the silent force powering the digital world, the unsung hero that keeps the wheels of the internet turning. Another remarkable feature of Linux is its broad range of available distributions, referred to as distros. Each distro is tailored to meet a specific need or preference. Whether you are a home user seeking a user-friendly interface, a developer in need of a powerful programming platform, or an organization requiring a secure and stable server, there is a Linux distribution that is just right for you. So Linux is not just a choice, it's a digital freedom. Emphasize Linux's open-source nature, customization capabilities, and popularity among developers for server and network-related programming. And don't forget to mention the wide range of available distributions tailored to different needs. Highlight macOS's seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, preferred by developers working on iOS and macOS applications. This preference might not come as a surprise to many, given the reputation Apple has steadily built as a brand that ensures smoothness in its product range. The ecosystem is a marvel of interconnectedness. The integration within the devices is not just about the hardware, but extends to software, services, and even the user experience. When you're a developer working on applications for iOS and macOS, this seamless integration becomes a strong selling point. You're not just creating an application for a device, you are creating an application that can sync, update, and interact across multiple devices. This provides an unparalleled level of user experience and a level of uniformity that is difficult to achieve when working with other platforms. This preference doesn't stop at the user level. It extends to developers as well. Working within the Apple ecosystem provides developers with a host of benefits. For instance, the Apple Developer Program gives developers access to comprehensive resources that they can use to design, develop, and distribute apps for Apple devices. It also includes access to beta software, advanced app capabilities, extensive beta testing tools, and app analytics. Another aspect of macOS that is often appreciated is its Unix-based environment. This is especially loved by developers coming from a Linux background. This environment offers a level of familiarity and flexibility that is hard to match. It allows for robust application development and scripting, which can be a huge advantage for those working with complex systems or software. The Unix-based structure of macOS provides a command line interface that gives the user direct interaction with the operating system. This level of access can be a powerful tool for developers, as it allows them to execute tasks with a level of precision, control, and efficiency that is hard to match with other systems. Moreover, the security inherent in Unix systems, due to its permissions and security features, can be a big plus for developers concerned with privacy and data safety. This ties back into the seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, where security and privacy are paramount. Discuss its Unix-based environment, which is appreciated by those coming from a Linux background. Our narrative today takes us into the realm of technology giants, a realm where one entity, in particular, has marked a profound dominance, especially in the enterprise environment. That entity, ladies and gentlemen, is none other than Windows. The very name has become synonymous with unrivaled power and unwavering reliability. The remarkable powerhouse that it is, Windows has successfully managed to scale the heights of technological invention and innovation, ensuring its dominance in the enterprise environment. The enterprise environment, we all know, is an ecosystem that thrives on stability, scalability, and security. Staying ahead in such a challenging environment requires a blend of technical excellence and strong support infrastructure. This is where Windows shines brightest. Moreover, it's not just about the dominance that Windows has perpetuated. It has also been about the wide-ranging support Windows offers for a broad spectrum of development tools. The .NET Framework and Visual Studio are prime examples of this. The .NET Framework, with its language interoperability and seamless portability across platforms, offers an advanced and flexible environment for developers. It is a comprehensive platform that allows developers to focus on the logic and functionality of the application rather than the underlying architecture. On the other hand, Visual Studio offers a full-featured, extensible, and powerful IDE that has been instrumental in simplifying the process of software development, debugging, and testing. It is a tool that has shaped the landscape of application development, backed by the trust and reliability of Windows. Windows, in its quest to provide an optimal development environment, has been continuously evolving, bringing forth advancements that were unthinkable a few years back. Not only does it support a multitude of tools, but it has also made significant strides in extending its support to Linux environments. Bridging the gap between the two dominant operating systems, Windows has pioneered the development of WSL, also known as the Windows Subsystem for Linux. This remarkable feat brings the best of both worlds to developers, offering a full-fledged Linux environment right within Windows. This has opened up new vistas of possibilities, making Windows an even more attractive proposition for businesses and developers alike. In essence, Windows, with its unmitigated dominance in the enterprise environment and extensive support for a broad range of development tools, including the .NET Framework and Visual Studio, has truly redefined the landscape of technology. Moreover, its recent advancements in supporting Linux environments through WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, underscore its commitment to continuous innovation and excellence. Discuss Android's relevance for developers focused on mobile app development, especially for Android applications. We live in a world increasingly dominated by mobile technology. With smartphones becoming a staple in our daily lives, the significance of mobile app development has skyrocketed. This is especially true for developers who specialize in Android applications. Android holds a significant market share globally, making it an essential platform for developers to include in their mobile app strategy. For this reason, understanding the Android operating system and its functionality has never been more important. This platform offers a broad user base, which can provide an excellent reach for applications. It's an open-source platform, meaning it provides developers with the flexibility and freedom to innovate and develop apps without any restrictions. One of the main reasons for Android's popularity among developers is its ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, allowing developers to create applications with relative ease. It's known for its compatibility with various devices, be it smartphones, tablets, or wearable devices, widening the scope for application development. Moreover, Android provides developers with a robust and versatile development environment. Developers can experiment, innovate, and bring their unique ideas to life with the vast array of tools available. For instance, the Android Software Development Kit, SDK, provides a comprehensive set of development tools, including a debugger, software libraries, a handset emulator, and documentation. Specifically, Android Studio, the official integrated development environment IDE for Android, has been a game changer. It offers features that accelerate the development process, such as visual layout, APK analyzer, intelligent code editor, fast simulator, and more. Using Android Studio, developers can build high-quality, performance-optimized applications that meet users' needs and exceed their expectations. Further, Android continually updates its software, meaning developers can always utilize the latest technology and features to enhance their applications. With its forward-thinking approach, Android ensures developers stay ahead of the curve, fostering innovation and growth within the mobile app development industry. In conclusion, Android's relevance for developers lies not only in its market dominance and the potential reach it provides, but also in the rich, versatile tools at their disposal. Highlight the tools available for Android development, such as Android Studio. Mention any significant others, like BSD, for niche development areas. The field of technology is ever evolving, and every now and then, new players emerge on the scene. Yet, despite the constant emergence of new systems and technologies, some have proven their mettle by standing the test of time. One such example is BSD, Berkeley's software distribution, which is worthy of our attention in the niche development arena. BSD, although not as widely recognized as some of its peers like Linux or Windows, has carved out a distinct position for itself. This system is known for its high performance, robust security features, and advanced networking capabilities. Its strong lineage, tracing back to the original Unix operating system, is a testament to its reliability. BSD's underpinnings in the world of Unix have equipped it with a level of stability that is often sought but rarely found in today's fast-paced tech world. Despite not being in the spotlight, BSD continues to secure its place in areas where reliability, stability, and security are of paramount importance. These areas include network servers, firewalls, routers, and other networking infrastructures. Many big tech giants rely on BSD for its robustness and long-standing reputation of being rock solid. But why should we, as developers or technologists, pay attention to BSD? The answer is simple: because it continues to offer a powerful, reliable platform for development. BSD allows developers to dive deep into the system, giving them an unprecedented level of control and flexibility. This is especially beneficial for those working in niche development areas, where specific needs and unique challenges often arise. Moreover, BSD's open-source nature equips developers with a vast array of tools and resources. A vibrant and active community surrounds BSD, providing support, sharing knowledge, and continually contributing to its ongoing development. BSD is also known for its permissive licensing, which allows developers to use, modify, and distribute the software as they see fit. This makes it particularly attractive for businesses and projects that need to maintain control over their software. In conclusion, when working in niche development areas, it's essential to understand and utilize the tools available to you. In this sense, systems like BSD serve as a critical resource. We're not just focusing on the latest fads, but instead the tried and tested platforms that offer stability, reliability, and flexibility. So, do mention any significant others like BSD for niche development areas. Let's break down the crucial aspects, putting a greater emphasis on the fact that the ideal operating system for programming is contingent on the coder's particular requirements, the nature of the projects they're immersed in, and their individual likings. This point cannot be overstated. Operating systems are an essential part of any development environment. They manage both the hardware and software resources of a system, and they can significantly impact a developer's productivity and satisfaction. There's a vast array of operating systems available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some offer a robust, highly customizable environment that caters to power users and developers. Others prioritize user-friendliness and ease of use, making them a great choice for beginners or those who value simplicity. Taking into account the variety of programming languages and development platforms, it becomes apparent that the choice of an operating system can significantly influence the developer's workflow. Certain OSs may offer better support for specific languages or frameworks, while others might excel in terms of performance, stability, or security. Furthermore, the nature of the projects one is working on is also a crucial factor when choosing an operating system. For instance, if you're developing an iOS app, it would be most convenient to use macOS, as it's the only system that natively supports Xcode, Apple's own integrated development environment. Conversely, if you're working on a project that needs to run on a Linux server, it might be beneficial to use Linux for development as well, to ensure compatibility and to get a good grasp of the environment your code will be executed in. It's also worth remembering that everyone has their own preferences when it comes to their work environment. One developer might prefer the sleek, modern look and feel of macOS, while another might enjoy the flexibility and control that comes with a Linux distribution. Let's not forget about the cost either. Some systems are free, open source, and can be easily installed on any machine. Others, however, might require a more significant investment. So, while there's no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of which OS is best for coding, there are many factors to consider. That's why it's important to think about what you want and need from an operating system. We would like to encourage our viewers to give some thought to their development objectives and preferences when selecting an operating system. We also invite everyone watching to participate in our community by sharing their preferences, insights, and experiences in the comment section.